una po ay prevent cancer. Ayan. So kapag kayo po ay umiinom ng goji, ay mapiprevent po yung cancer na dumami. Ayan. So nakalagay po dito, goji antioxidant and the unique polysaccharide can halt the genetic mutation that can lead to cancer. So ibig sabihin, yung pag-mutate ay mapipigilan ka agad yan na po pwedeng, ang mutation po kasi ay po pwedeng magtuloy siya into cancer. So doon pa lang po ay napipigilan na kapag uminom tayo ng goji. So napiprevent na kagad siya. Some scientists believe that goji may be an especially good supplement to prevent liver cancer because it exerts liver protection and anti-cancer effect. At the same time, this is important as the liver in the body's primary detoxifying organ. So yun po yun. So makakatulong po. Ayan. So next natin, nasa top 10 pa rin. Manage and fight cancer. Yan po yung sa pag-inom ng goji. So nakalagay dito, a patient receiving a cancer drug together with goji exhibited response rates up to 250% better than those obtained by the drug alone. Ayan, maliwanag. This advanced cancer patient experienced amazing regressions of malignant melanoma, renal cell carcinoma, colorectal carcinoma, lungs cancer, nasopharyngeal carcinoma, and malignant hydrothorax. Remission of cancers in a patient treated with goji lasted significantly longer than those treated without goji. Okay? So yun guys ha. So next natin, nasa top 10 pa rin, inhibit tumor growth. So ito naman po, di mapipigilan ka agad. So interleukin 2 or the IL-2 is a crucial cytokine, a cell protein, okay, that induce potent anti-tumor responses in a variety of cancers. Goji polysaccharide had been shown in a Chinese study to enhance the production of IL-2. In the United States, IL-2 has been under study as an immune-promoting factor since 1983 and has been used for some cancer and for HIV infection. Wow, nakakatulong. Goji also has the ability to cause the death of tumor cells by inducing apoptosis. Yung apoptosis po is a process in which cancer cells are broken down. Binabasag nila o sinisira nila to yung cancer cells at nire-recycle into good cells. Yun po yung tinatawag na apoptosis. So yun